Hey guys, I know you can't really see my full face, but I'm going to be doing a tutorial on eyebrows and how I do my eyebrows. So let's get started. I'm going to be using Anastasia Dip Brow in the shade of Granite. And I'm going to be using one of the angled brushes by Anastasia, number 12. I don't know if you guys can see it. But yeah, I'm going to dip it in and I'm going to go ahead and start shaping my eyebrow. I'm going to put the darkest in the middle and just take it from there. After you did the shape and all of that, sometimes, you know, it's gonna be a little hard. You're gonna go in with the spoolie little thing from somewhere. You're just gonna go like this. So it can give that little ombre effect. Okay, if you get it all over the place. Honestly, eyebrows are my pet peeve because it's always like, oh, I gotta do my eyebrows, you know? And fudge. Oh, and eyelashes. I fucking hate eyelashes. I feel like once I have my eyelashes on, my whole makeup look is like done, and then I'm just like, oh, I'm almost done, you know? But yeah, you're just gonna like blend it in. Could probably just go back in there if it looks a little weird and finish it. My camera's acting weird, guys. I don't know what the fuck. It's like saying it doesn't have enough space storage, and honestly, I have no videos on there, so it's acting weird. But yeah, once you're done with your eyebrows, like coloring them in and all that good stuff, we're gonna go in there with Tarte concealer. And usually I get the lightest color, which is porcelain. And I'm gonna go ahead and clean my eyebrows with this kind of brush. Oh, there we go. Then I'm just gonna get some and then go ahead and clean it. It's looking bomb. And just blend the extra stuff and then go to the next one. And I know I gotta pluck out my eyebrows, guys, before y'all notice that and attack me. Once you're done with your eyebrows, you are gonna go in with Anastasia this little brow, I don't know, this dip brow gel. And in the color Granite again, because you know I like dark eyebrows. I don't know if you guys are like me and like to be a little extra, because I do. So yeah, we're just gonna go in there and do all that good stuff so your eyebrow can pop. To the next eyebrow, like I said, so it can pop. And then, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be doing a little bit of highlight under the brow, just so it can have. And this time, I'm going to be using NYX with one of these brushes. This one is by MAC. And I don't think it has, oh yeah, a 219 brush. And I'm just going to be using NYX highlighter, which... it's in the color Chromatic. And again, I'm gonna wet my little thing with some water. And I'm gonna go ahead and dip it in and give it a little pop for my eyebrow before I put my eyeshadow in, so it can glow. And dip it a little more. And so once I put my eyeshadow, it can blend. But that's pretty much all I do for my eyebrows. I hope you guys liked this video. And eventually, I'm gonna obviously go over my foundation and all that good stuff. And it's gonna look even like, you're not gonna see the line anymore, okay guys? But yeah, like I was saying, hopefully you guys liked my video. You guys should definitely subscribe and DM me or something what kind of videos you guys want to see.